Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and your family too. Okay, today we are starting a new unit of English, unit number 4, which is reptiles. Okay, we already studied this about reptiles in our science book. Okay, so what are reptiles? Reptiles are cold-blooded animals. They lay eggs with shells, they breathe air, their bodies are covered with scales. Okay, now first you start reading from here. Before you read, look up the keywords in your mini dictionary which have two meanings. Okay, now you have to look up for these keywords which have two meanings using your dictionary. Like as you can see here, the first word is extinct. Okay, two meanings of extinct are, first meaning is vanished and second is defunct. Okay, or having no living member of any species or a family. Okay, now like this you also find the meanings of these words. Now we start reading from here. What are crocodiles? Crocodiles belong to the reptile family of animals. This means that they have cold blood and lay eggs. Other reptiles are snakes and lizards. Okay, in this para, as we already studied, that crocodiles are reptiles which lays eggs and these are cold-blooded. This family includes lizards and snakes as well. Okay, the next heading is crocodile bodies. Crocodiles have hard scales on their backs to protect them. Their long tails help them to swim fast. They have sharp claws and powerful jaws with 24 teeth. Okay, in this para, the crocodile's back is of hard scales which protect them and a long tail which help them to swim fast. They have 24 teeth with sharp claws and jaws. Okay, the next is where they live and what they eat. Crocodiles usually live in rivers and lakes, but they sometimes live in salt water too. They eat fish, birds, small animals and other reptiles. They often lie very still at the edge of the water, so they look like logs of wood. Okay, this para is about crocodiles' living habits. Okay, that they live in rivers and lakes and sometimes in salt water too. Okay, they usually eat fishes, birds, small animals, other reptiles. Okay, they usually lie very still. Okay, and look like a log of wood. Okay, at the edge of the water. Okay, did you know, if a crocodile lies with its mouth open, it is not always waiting for food. Sometimes it is just keeping its head cool in the heat. This crocodile is grinning happily in the sun. What is the meaning of grinning? Happily. Okay, so grinning means smile. Okay, so if a crocodile lies with open mouth, it doesn't mean that they want food every time. They just keep their head cool in the heat. In the picture below, as you can see here, the crocodile smiling happily with its open mouth in the sun. Okay, next page, endangered crocodile. There are 23 kinds of crocodiles and many are endangered. This means that some kinds may become extinct because people hunt them for their skins or because their rivers are too dirty for them. Okay, this para is about that there are 23 kinds of crocodiles in which many are seriously at risk of extinction because mostly people hunt them to use their hard skin or we make the river dirty for them. Okay, next is crocodile in Pakistan. The most important crocodile in Pakistan is called the Mughal. Mughal is a name of crocodile. Okay, near Karachi you can find many crocodiles in a tank at Mongopir. They can live up to 80 years. Okay, in Pakistan, Mongopir is most important crocodile. Mughal is most important crocodile near Karachi. We can find many crocodiles in a tank at a Mongopir. These crocodiles can live up to 80 years. Okay, The biggest crocodile. Some of the biggest crocodiles in the world live in the river Nile in Egypt. They can grow up to 6 meters long. That's the length of a truck. They can also be as heavy as 1,000 kilos. That's the weight of about 12 big men. Okay. Few of the biggest crocodiles usually found near river Nile in Egypt. They grow up to 6 meters, like a length of a truck, as you can see in this picture. Okay, and they weight around 1,000 kilos, which is equal to the 12 big men. Okay, and this is about the lesson and strange facts. Crocodiles can't stick out their tongues. Crocodiles often cry when they are eating, but it is not because they are sad. That's why we say people cry crocodile tears when they are pretending to be sad. In this box, crocodile cannot stick out their tongue and they often cry when they are eating. That doesn't mean they are sad. This is the reason we can say that the crocodile tears to different people when they are pretending to be sad or crying. Okay, now move to next page. Okay, this is a true story because it gives some information. Okay, and it is a non-fiction story. Here also a short poem which is written by the Lewis Carroll. Okay, Lewis Carroll was a famous writer who lived more than 100 years ago. He wrote a book called Alice in Wonderland. Alice is a little girl who has to learn poems at school. Here is a poem that she remembers wrongly. Okay, so here is a poem about the crocodiles. That how doth the crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the waters of the Nile on every golden scale. How cheerfully he seems to grin, how neatly spreads his claws and welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. Okay, this is a short poem, okay, about the crocodile. Now move to next page. First, circle the correct words. A. The text page on pages 32 and 33 is a true, made up, so it is a fiction or non-fiction text. It is a true and a non-fiction text. Okay, so you circle the word true and non-fiction. Second, its purpose to give information, instructions or news. Its purpose to give us information. The text on page 34 is a playscript, poem or a report. It is a poem. Okay, now see question number 2. Complete this fact life about crocodiles. Okay, now family of animals. Crocodile related to the family of reptile. So here you can write reptiles. Prey. Which animals they hunt? The prey of crocodiles are fishes, birds, small animals or other reptiles. What is the length of the crocodile? Up to 6 meters. Weight up to 100,000 kilos. Lifespan up to 80 years. Okay, so now answer these questions in your notebook. Now you can write the answers of these questions on your notebook. A. How do crocodiles use their jaws? They use their jaws to catch their prey. Second is, where do crocodile live? Crocodile lives in river and lakes and sometimes also in salty water. Why does a crocodile sometimes lie with its mouth open? Because it is keeping its head cool in the heat. When do crocodiles cry? They often cry when they are eating. Where can you see crocodiles in Pakistan? You can see crocodiles at a Mungopir near Karachi. Okay, now match these words to their meanings. Doth means does. This is done for you. Improve means make better. Now draw a line and join with the make better. Next is cheerfully, means happily. Grin, smile widely. Next is welcomes. Welcome says hello. Okay. Next is question number 5. What do you think? A. For you, what was the most interesting fact about crocodile? Here you will have to write the interesting fact about the crocodile which you think is more interesting. Okay. And B, why was the crocodile in the poem really smiling? Because it was hoping to eat some little fishes. Okay. These two questions are about this poem. Okay. You can also write these two questions in your notebook.